Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -6.09. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 44% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 44% and 90%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 31%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 11% to 148% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $317 and $606. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "A volatile ride for Tesla stock price on Thursday, moving between $273.42 and $324.55. The Tesla stock price fell by 14.26% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, from $332.05 to $284.70. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 18.70%, with a day low of $273.42 and a day high of $324.55. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 14.92% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 181 million shares, but this was amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 279 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $79.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, while the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price is 41.72%, or $203.84, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has recently experienced significant volatility, declining by 14.3% to $284.70, marking its largest single-day market capitalization loss ever. This dramatic downturn is primarily due to an escalating public feud between CEO Elon Musk and former President Donald Trump, with Musk warning that proposed tariffs could trigger a recession. The feud has not only spooked investors, but has prompted a surge in bearish options trading against Tesla, reflecting growing pessimism. This financial strain coincides with broader market concerns arising from rising unemployment claims and slowing economic growth indicators, amplifying Tesla's selling pressure. Despite sales gains from the Model Y Juniper refresh, overall sales, particularly in critical markets like Europe and China, are underperforming, bringing Tesla's investment case into question. Looking ahead, Tesla's longer-term prospects hinge on upcoming initiatives like the robotaxi launch and advancements in full self-driving technology. However, the current atmosphere of uncertainty stemming from the Trump-Musk fallout could deter potential investors, and its short-term impacts may keep the stock suppressed until confidence is restored. Overall, while Tesla's innovation pipeline offers a glimmer of hope, the backdrop of political discord and market anxieties could weigh heavily on its stock performance for the foreseeable future. Analyst ratings. On Friday, May 23, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Wednesday, April 23, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark rated Tesla as a buy with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, April 22, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush gave Tesla a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. April 22, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a grade of neutral with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, April 22, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler rated Tesla as overweight with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Tesla stock is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $337.93 and $305.95. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025. And since then, the stock has declined by 21.55%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased, even as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 8 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 81 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla has established support from accumulated volume at $282.76. This level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is known for its significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the large prediction interval highlighted by the Bollinger Band classifies this stock as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $51.13 between its high and low, representing an 18.70% change. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 7.52%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 430 thousandths of a dollar. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $284.95. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $282.76. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Tanazha Vaibhav, who bought and sold 13,500 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -53 0.951. In total, insiders purchased 1,104,334 shares and sold 3,759,868 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock displays several negative signals, and despite its recent positive trend, we anticipate that Tesla will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, June 6th, we expect Tesla to open higher by $9.52, starting at a price of $294.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.